we will cook chicken today. For that, yes, we will need chicken pieces. We have put them in a bowl, and then I will add some spices: jeera powder, chicken masala, ginger powder, haldi powder, and Kashmiri mirch powder. Then a little bit of salt, and at last but not the least, a little bit of kasuri methi and black pepper powder. And we have to mix it well so that we can marinate, and for that we need some curd in it. And now I will mix it with the help of a spoon. You can use your hands also. I am using a spoon to mix it, but you have to check that it is mixed properly. It will take some time. Let it be. And we have to put them so that it can rest properly. For that, now see here, I will put it in the fridge. We have to put it for just half an hour, and after that we are ready to cook them. For that we will need a karai, and then add some oil, some onion pieces, soaked kaju in water, and then we have to mix it properly, and that mixture will go into water so that we can make a paste for later purpose. Now we have to fry the marinated chicken. For that we have taken some oil and put that chicken pieces into the oil, and we have to fry the chicken pieces properly so that it can become golden brown. See here, the chicken pieces are going to be ready, and we have to make the gravy now. You remember we have that paste. You can add some spices, onion pieces, kasuri methi, all that as per your wish, and cook for some time. Go ahead. Bring it. Then add the paste to make the gravy. See, it is cooked properly, and we have that fried chicken pieces. We can add some cream to it. It will taste much better. Now our chicken will be ready. You can try this recipe at home. Just let me know in the comments if you like it or not. Thank you.